I can't tell the secrets. No. Fans, you'll understand that I can't say
Okay,
secrets.
yeah, he just like secretly he will, take photos while you're sleeping. Okay, and post it all over, the social media.
Yeah, but that's not a secret anymore.
I mean, it's ridiculous. The first time he did that, with Deepam, I think. But she was sleeping on set, so we're like, okay, probably that. And then he started off with while we come into Lonavala and all that. On the way, everyone's selfies were up. I reached Lonavala and they're like, did you see? I'm like, see what? Your photo, the sleeping form. I'm like, what photo? And then I get up and I'm like, okay, you did this to me and all of that. And that's when, I think once Mohsin got back, when he got his photo sleeping.
Yeah, Mohsin's
so
the
all of
associate
us
director.
posted. It was like a mass upload thing happening.
Yeah, they were waiting for the opportunity
Yeah,
to get a
and
picture
he
of me
got it.
sleeping, and
Yeah.
well, it's not a secret anymore. Now everybody on television knows it. This is what I do, and
So we're very conscious sleeping, around this.
yeah, around TK, you just be extra careful.
Yeah, he's really the coach, the strict coach. If you're sleeping, he'll wake you up. What are you doing sleeping?
It's not really a nice way to be woken up to on social media.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to hear this.
Actually we met from day one, right? I mean, we were there.
Yeah.
In the office that we met for the first time. I knew she was playing Umang. I think she knew I was playing TK, and it was nothing. We chatted a bit, not much initially.
What was your first impression of him?
See, I don't know. I mean, I was just told that. I mean, this is the cast. Everybody's playing the individual characters. Yeah, I think she was bang on for Umang because for a swimmer, the physicality and everything, she was bang on for me. And this is just the first impression. Obviously, just talking to her, and once shooting started, she's incredible. She's fully prepared. She knows the lines. There's no alteration, fumble. Definitely, hats off to that. She is to the mark when it comes to shooting. I swear. No, but that's the fact. Yeah.
So yeah, like he was totally apt for Coach TK. I mean, the personality and again the physicality and all of that. It was just in place. He was like perfect to the team, and also the way he would just yell at us and all that. So everything was just like he was TK. There couldn't be nothing better than that. And yeah, he's just really good. Yeah, he's just really fun to be around. We've got different shades of him on set and everything, which you don't see on screen. But yeah, it's fun. It's really fun to be around.